Hey, is this working? Yeah. So I'm making a 3-egg omelet. I've used water to heat up this Hillshire smoked sausage. I drained the water. I sprayed olive oil on it. Now I need to put my eggs in. Let me see if I can do this. Let's get stuff in the way. Can't really see the paint, can you? I gotta fix. That should work. Okay. Dumping the eggs in the pan now. One at a time. One. Two. And three. I'm currently using the kitchen at an Airbnb. The woman is like me and tries to use natural ingredients. So here's some pink Himalayan salt and some ground pepper. I need to mix this all up. I like to break the yolks, so I'm breaking them. I'm going to mix this without scratching the pan, hopefully. If I had it, I would put some greens in this mixture. I would also put some cheese. I was going to buy some cheese the other day, but I kind of ran out of money. So here goes. I'm going to put the lid back on to help the top stabilize or help it get hard on the bottom. I hope you can all see. Okay, there's my view. I'm at 2 minutes. My name is Dor Machida, or I shouldn't have said my last name. Anyway, I also go by Grandma D, especially for my grandson Talon, who I've never met, but hopefully someday I will. My son Kyle likes to cook and share videos. The whole family was into cooking. So let me see if I can turn the omelet. Okay, I'm going to take the lid off. Luckily, that handle is good. I need a spatula. She has a nice little container for the cooking things. And I'm going to loosen around the edges. It looks like it's ready to flip. I'm not very good at flipping omelets and such. Unfortunately, this side is cooked more than the other side. Let me see if I can turn my pan. Sorry about this. Okay, here we go. Kind of jiggle the spatula underneath to flip it. Couldn't do it. So I'll flip the other half. Okay. Can you see? There's enough there for 2 people. Seniors. Anyway. Okay. If I had cheese, I would put a slice on both halves. Put the lid on. Shut the fire off, which I'm going to do now anyway. And enjoy. Sometimes I wrap it in tortilla shells. And so does my partner, Cal. Anyway, thank you for listening. Have a great day.